Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Well, today we're going to do a little sound comparison video between two 1 series. The first one we're going to compare the sound with is actually my own BMW. As you guys know or not know, it's a 1.6 4-cylinder, the N13 engine, and it's straight piped. It has no downpipe, but it has no other mufflers anymore. And we are going to compare it to the newer facelifted model, the 118i, and those have 3 cylinders and it's a 1.5. And people, I get the question. I see the question quite a lot on forums and stuff like that from, hey, I bought a new 118i but it doesn't map to 225 horsepower like these did, and that's because it's 3-cylinder. As you guys know or may not know, the N13 engine, it tuned pretty damn well to an amazingly horsepower amount for its engine size and for what it originally has, with no hardware modifications. But the newer ones, the 3 cylinders, don't have that big tuning capability. They only tune to about 170 180 horsepower with just a tune, and it's still decent, but it's nowhere as fast as this. So that's why always I preferred the older ones, because they had a bigger engine with an extra cylinder. But now I'm going to compare this to a car of a friend of mine, and he has the facelifted 118i. Pretty nice spec, full M package, M Sport, everything M Sport. The nice blue color that I wanted. It's actually, I shot this clip already, a few months ago. I already used it for some other videos, but we're going to compare them straight pipe, and I think it's a pretty good battle. But I'm gonna show the clips right now, and then you can say whatever you like the most. So yeah, I don't know what you think sounds the best. It's all shot with the same phone, because that can also make a difference. But it's shot with the same phone with the same camera, so that's also a big thing. Because if I shot this with another phone or another camera, it may sound different between two clips. But yeah, I think that mine sounds a little beefier, and but the other one sounds a little bit more raw, more tiny. But anyway, I like them both actually. I think they sound both pretty good, so you can go bad on straight pipe on both of these. But I think I prefer mine just a little bit more. But anyway guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I will see you guys soon. Bye.